Everybody, this is Sherry, and I wanted to go ahead and do a real quick tutorial on how you can implement this part of the example of social media post number 3 on Facebook. So I go to jobs, I go ahead and click in search and jobs in Alaska. Go to and go ahead and click enter. You're going to find all those groups will come up. When you do that, I just go ahead and I look for ones that have over 3,000 members, but then again, you can go ahead and click see more, and you may see some that have, here's one, Alaska seasonal jobs. See, there's a good one to put into jobs in Alaska. I go in here and I look at when was the last time somebody posted something in there? Well, 27 minutes ago. Okay, 57 minutes ago. An hour ago. So it is pretty active. And then I go ahead and if you have to join the group, because sometimes you do, or they put your post on hold pending until they've checked you out or whatever it is. I do go in here and go to about, and I check on this group. This group allows businesses to post jobs and interact with job seekers for free. And then tell a little bit more about it. Now, if they have something on here that says, do not post any, jobs for home, that's crazy. You can actually make your listing look as if it's not a work at home job. So this looks pretty good, even though there's only 315 members. And I'm going to go ahead and start a post. So I go back to our example post on the sheet that was sent out to you guys, brand ambassador system instructions. And I just added this one this morning. And I'm going to copy and paste this whole thing, go back over to the post. And I have rearranged some things on here, reworded them. And you want to put this in, what works for your area. And I go ahead and take this link out here because this is where you're supposed to put in your own link. And I also took out the bottom part that was on there and have your brand partner link ready. And I go ahead and I copy and paste that. It's your own link. Mine has the DNA rapid drops on it. It might have your name on the last part of that. And when you go ahead and put this in here, it's going to go ahead and propagate your brand ambassador picture there. And then I go ahead and take this out and I will put apply below. So this is all ready to go. And right there, it has the rules on it as well. Now that you're making the post and you can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and post this in here. It all looks good. Opening in Anchorage, Fairbanks. Oh, and Eastern Alaska, Southeastern Alaska, that brings in from Juneau all the way down to Ketchikan. And it all looks good. I've done this a few times already today. Apply below. All right, post. Now that that's gone in there, I am going to take and go over to my sheet that I've done. It's jobs in Alaska. And I'm going to put on here where this is something I do myself, you guys. So if you want to make your own, that's great, but it keeps me on track instead of writing it down in a book somewhere. I posted it in discussion and I posted it on 3/21/22. I think that's the date today. I'm not really sure. And it's always going to be the same thing for what I'm doing in Facebook. So I hope that helps you. You have the instruction sheet here. You've got your link. Start working those on jobs in your area. And I hope that helped you. If it did, be sure to get back with your person that brought you in to be doing this. And, let's make sure that we're doing this effectively. Thank you so much.